Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to change your Vauxhall Astra K air filter. You'll need a screwdriver to remove the air filter housing. There are 4 screws holding the housing, in which 3 of them are in the open area and 1 of them is under the air duct. You also need to remove the intake holes using a flat screwdriver, and the rest of the screws are shown. You can remove the MAF connector, but there's no need to, as it won't affect you while changing the air filter. First, I separate the air intake holes to the housing using a flat screwdriver. Next, I start to remove the air filter housing screws using a screwdriver. The screws don't come off, but you'll know when it's unscrewed. The second screw is located between the piping and behind the air filter housing. The third is located between the engine and the housing. Now, to gain access to the fourth screw, you need to remove the air duct. To remove the air duct, you need to remove the clip holding the 2 air ducts together and then pull the air duct next to the filter housing. Once again, remove the fourth screw with a screwdriver. Now that there are no screws holding the housing, you need to pull it up and you've located the air filter. This filter is a cylinder filter and not a flat filter, and to remove this you need to pinch the 2 sides of the plastic to unlock it from the holder and then pull the filter. Do excuse the blur as it had focused on a new filter. To put the new filter, you need to first put the cylinder part of the filter to its place, and then the plastic part of the filter to its housing, and push the filter until you hear a click from the plastic. This will lock the filter to its position. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.